Hey there, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to configure your battery settings to maximize the battery age or battery life on your Mac. We will be using the built-in Mac settings, battery settings to optimize that. So click on this Apple logo here and go to System Settings. And within the System Settings, you can switch to Battery Settings here. And here you have a different options. We will be configuring one by one. So first option is low power mode. You have to choose to only on battery, and you can see the battery health here, which is currently showing status as normal. If you click on the information icon, it will display the battery condition as normal. The maximum capacity available is 88%, which means the 12% of battery is already degraded. And you also have the option to optimize the battery charging. Just enable this toggle switch and hit on done command. Now here you have the chart where it will display how the battery has been utilized. Most of the time I use my Mac with power cable, so the battery usage is negligible here for me. And apart from that, you can go to this options, and here the options you have different settings where you can slightly dim the display on battery, which will reduce the battery consumption. And also here prevent automatic sleeping on power adapter when the display is off, so this will not have any effect on the battery. The third option is wake for network access. Here you have this option to choose never or always. Just keep it as it is only on the power, which will utilize the network access only when the power cable is connected. And the fourth and the last option is optimize the video streaming while on battery. So just enable this option and it will automatically reduce utilization of the dynamic range, like high dynamic range and standard dynamic range. So this way you can optimize the battery. Once it is done, you can just restart your computer and start using on the battery, and you would be able to notice the significant improvement in your battery utilizations or the battery life. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.